Well, as the Finance Minister was speaking in Cape Town, hundreds of thousands of workers went on strike across the country. They're calling for higher wages, particularly in the health sector, and better safety nets for people who've lost their jobs during the pandemic. Unemployment in South Africa reached record levels at the end of last year, and unions say the government hasn't done nearly enough for those who are most affected by the crisis. Our correspondent Nn-tse-peng Motema was at the protest in Johannesburg and sent us this report.
The South African Federation of Trade Unions has called for this strike for a number of reasons, unemployment being at the top of the list. The country has recorded the highest number of unemployment since 2008. On Tuesday, Statistics South Africa released the numbers showing that in 2020, the last quarter of 2020, unemployment went up to 32.5%. Now this translates to more than 7 million South Africans at home without work, desperate for something.
We're expecting the treasurer to put more money to stimulate, reinvoke the economy in South Africa. That is already collapsed. More jobs have been lost by the workers.
Another reason that has brought the workers out onto the streets is the protection of healthcare workers. They are demanding hazard pay. They want all medics to receive money for risking their lives every day treating COVID-19 patients.
Today we are faced with a government that says they are not going to increase our salaries. We are faced with a government that did not even consider tax relief for us. We are faced with a government today that did not even supply the quality sufficient PPE.
This is just one of many marches taking place across the country in all provinces, all of them perfectly timed to take place ahead of the budget speech by the Finance Minister. The workers have mockingly called it a bourgeois budget representing the interests of big business and the wealthy few at the expense of struggling workers. What the workers say they want is a total overhaul of the economy and the introduction of policies that are pro-poor.